Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different subscription box unboxings. So if you enjoy subscription box, I would love it if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. It would mean so much to me. Guys, as always, please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and don't forget to leave a comment telling me how your day is going, what you thought of the box, the products. I just love hearing from you guys. So today we have a new subscription, as you can see, and it is Sock Panda. I think this packaging is just super adorable. Like, it's just adorable. This panda is just, oh, how cute. And he's got little socks on, love it. So I do want to say thank you so very much to Sock Panda. They did send this to me for a review. I do appreciate that. So I'm going to go over what it is. I have my laptop here pulled up, and then we will open it and see what we got for August 2020. So it says, "We are the gift that keeps on giving. Not only do we send amazing conversation starting socks to your door each month, a nicely reminder of how much you care, but since we donate a sock with every new purchase, with every new subscription, you are also helping someone in need." And they have donated over 135,000 pairs of socks. That is fantastic. They have plans that start as low as $11 a month, y'all. So let's see. They have one pair of socks that is $17, and for $17 a month you get two pairs of socks. They have men's that is stylish and suave, then men's daring and bold. They have women's wild and crazy, and then women's patterns and prints. They do also have a tween sock subscription for $15. That's two pairs each month. And then for kids, this will be age 3 to 7. They have for $12 a month, two pairs. So they have got you covered. They have got from men, women, teenagers, kids. It's all covered. So I think that that is fantastic. So let's get in here and see what I got for August 2020. I'm super excited. Like I said, I just think this bag, because this is how it was shipped. I'm not going to turn this over because it has my address on the back, but I just think it's adorable. And it says, "Because of you, the Sock Panda donates socks to those in need." I love that they give back. That is amazing. So let's open her up and see. Okay, I got two pair. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is so stinking adorable. And it talks here more about how they give back. And yeah, so as of May 2020, it was 135 pairs of socks to shelters, hospitals, schools, and communities across the country. I think that that is absolutely amazing. I love that so very much. So y'all, these socks are stinking adorable. Like, I know one pair I can already tell you is probably going to be confiscated by my best friend. She absolutely loves peacocks, y'all. And look at this first pair of socks. Those are so darn cute. They're pretty. They're just fun, and they're so soft. Like, these are gonna feel amazing on your feet. It says, "Proud to be a panda." So yeah, I have every intention that, like I said, one of my best friends is going to be confiscating this pair, so I might as well just put it to the side for her because she loves peacocks. And since they sent two pair, I can still get a pair for me. And these are adorable as well. Now these seem to be a little bit longer. And they're super cute as well. It says that these are 85% Peruvian cotton, 10% nylon, 5% spandex, and 100% fun. So they're super soft. Let me see if I can get them. Yeah, there we go. So these, I love these. We'll just take that off. I love these. These are like a tiger in the jungle. And I really like these because one of my favorite songs, and honestly, there was a period of time in my life where it was kind of like my anthem, if you will, the Katy Perry song Roar. And in the music video, she's in the jungle. So I really, really like these. And I like that they're a little bit higher with fall and winter coming up. It'll keep my feet extra toasty, so I can appreciate that. And then, like I said, this pair, well, are they the same? Are they the same? They are the same. Okay. So yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And these, I think, are just fun. And then, like I said, it's funny that they said conversation starter, because I literally told you about a little part of my life because of these socks. So I just think that they are super adorable. And I definitely recommend it, especially if you love fun socks. And like I said, they got the whole family covered. So let me know what you thought of the socks down below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. And like I said, I will put a link to Sock Panda down below. Definitely go over and check them out. Yeah, check them out. I do want to say thank you to my channel members. Your support means so very much to me. Even if you're not a channel member, your support just watching means the world. So I do greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for being here and taking the time to watch one of my videos. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.